Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our Baton Rouge drive, picking up where we left off in our last video at the end of Segan Lane, where we cross Highland Road and the street name turns into Burbank Drive. Here, LA 42 turns from Highland Road onto Burbank and follows the road all the way to the end. We're in East Baton Rouge Parish, but still outside the city limits of Baton Rouge. Along this stretch of road, we'll continue to see large swaths of undeveloped land, although that is changing very quickly on this end. These large tracts of undeveloped land are just minutes from the LSU campus. On the left, we see police directing traffic in and out of the Cypress Mounds baseball complex. This Traction Sportsplex is 30 acres, has 6 uniquely designed baseball fields with natural turf, an artificial turf field, covered bullpens, and batting cages, a Miracle League field that is handicap accessible, cameras on all fields to watch games at home, a children's playground, covered viewing areas for fans, an arcade and pro shop, and an air-conditioned clubhouse with free Wi-Fi. here we finally enter the city limits of Baton Rouge, and the scenery starts to change with large, luxurious apartment complexes intended for LSU students who do not wish to live on campus, but choose wisely to eschew the party time atmosphere of Tigerland a few blocks further over, which has older, less expensive housing. Despite this, we're going to see another huge section of undeveloped land within the Baton Rouge city limits, and it is shocking how quickly one re-enters the big city just around the corner. Here, Burbank Drive skirts the southern edge of the LSU campus with large parking areas visible on the right. Burbank Drive and LA 42 come to an end at Nicholson Drive, which is LA 30, and we end our video here. There's a baseball game today at Alex Box Stadium, and there are police directing traffic here, thank goodness. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and ring the bell icon. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.